Welcome to another Richard Head Longbows video. Philip's let me do this one all on my own. This is about spokeshaves. If you're making a longbow, this is an important tool you will need in your toolbox. It's not the only one, but you can do an awful lot with this. You can remove a lot of wood because the blade is adjustable. Just slacken that, push, turn those knobs, and then that extends the blade for a really rough cut. And then you've got a fine cut, you just pull it back again and you can take a small amount of wood off. Spokeshave, not that expensive, about £20 I suppose. You can probably find one in a second-hand tool shop. You might even find a nice fancy one like this. Quite old, but probably not that expensive. Works very well, keep the blade sharp. Another good one to have is this, which is curved, and that obviously is useful with the longbow where you're getting that D section and using it to get that nice D section rounded shape. We are really supposed to push a spokeshave, but I usually pull them. Seems to work well for me. This one, rather than having it flat here, is slightly convexed, so it's curved. So if you had to get into a scoop, this would be useful. Don't use it that much on a longbow because you want to keep things pretty flat, but if you had a slightly built up handle section you wanted to fade out into the limbs, that's useful. Originally spokeshaves, and you'll probably come across these in old tool shops, made of boxwood with a metal blade. Again, will work fine. Not so easy to adjust the blade, need a bit of experience to do that. And they come in different sizes. There's a nice little one there. So tools like that are available, but much easier to get hold of a modern one that works really well and will last you for your bow making lifetime.
We've previously made a video featuring all the hand tools that you'll need to make a longbow. Click on the link here to watch that video or go to the description box below. Thanks for watching, please do like and subscribe. And if you're feeling generous and really want the channel to survive, please click on the donate button in the description box below.